I should never be left alone in IKEA by myself. He's gonna kill me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. Friday equals daycare day. I absolutely love Fridays. It is my day to get things done without my hashtag toddler. Love him to pieces, but it just makes life so much easier. Normally I do my food shopping and errands on a Friday, but today I am having a best friend day with my best friend. We're going to IKEA, we're going to have some lunch, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me and show you my way of spending $100 at IKEA. I also need to buy lunch in that budget, but you know, IKEA does cute little lunches for not very much. My obsession at the moment is indoor plants. I have gone from having one to several, and I've got two that need pots, so I'm going to be looking for some pots. I might need to buy some extra pots so that I need to buy extra plants because I can't have empty pots. That's how my brain works. And I'm also looking for some storage containers, so I'm going to be taking you with me. I've got $100 to spend. Let's get this party started. I am so excited to be having a best friend date. This happens very rarely. When we were teenagers, we did absolutely everything together, and then we grew up. So a shout out to my bestie boo, Leah. Love you. So this was probably the hardest part, trying to decide which baskets to get, not having the exact measurements of the space that I wanted because that's how I roll. But thankfully my bestie boo knew the measurements of a standard door frame, so that helped significantly. And then to my favorite section. New babies in there, so pretty. And then we eat. I was a bit reluctant to get the lamb shank, but it was the most amazing lamb shank I've ever had. Coffee, mousse, both amazing. I think all that was about $15, I think. I'm back from my shopping trip. I managed to stay within budget. I spent $96.12, and then I went over to the Lolly Bar and did a bit of a pick and mix, which made up the rest. So I did really well staying within my budget, and I'm going to show you what I got for that. Just move them out of the way. So first of all, I picked up two of these mats just for my garage door. These mats were $1.39 each, which is an absolute bargain, especially as at the moment I'm currently having a bit of an issue with local cats, outdoor cats that are not supposed to be outdoors, coming and peeing on my garage door, entry door thing, which I've managed to stop. They're no longer doing that anymore. But my boy cat is just having a bit of a problem adjusting. But it's been 2 weeks since he's last done it, so I'm gonna put a mat there and hope that he doesn't pee on it. But I grabbed two just in case it did. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on top of the spray that I've been using. Then I could not resist two new little babies. So this is a Devil's Ivy, a variegated one, I think they say, but it is absolutely stunning. That was $6.99. And then this one, a pepperomia, was $8.99. Again, just an absolute bargain, especially this one. I'll have to show you a close-up of this one. Its leaves are so pretty. They are just stunning. Look at this little baby leaf over here. So pretty. I can't believe this was only $5.99. I feel like this is an absolute plant bargain. So I'm very happy with those purchases. This was $4.99. This one was $5.99, which I'm going to be putting my fiddle leaf tree bambino in there. And then this one was $2.49. So these will be temporary pots for those ones until I need to repot them. Now I'm needing to do some rejigging and reorganizing of my pantry. What worked in my old house does no longer work in this house because it's a different pantry, and the systems that I had in there just aren't doing my mind good at the moment. So I bought 3 of these. These were each $6.99 each. 3 of those lint rollers because we have 2 rag dolls. If you have pets in general, you'll know my pain. There is cat hair everywhere, especially me. My colors are black and black, so my white cats do not do my black clothes any good. This was $3.99 for 4, and I've got lots of roller handles here. Kids cups, because I'm over having mismatched cups in the drawer. So I bought some new cups. I think these were $2 for 6, and they're pastel colors, really cute. So I'm going to donate our other cups that we have and replace them with that. This jug was $6.99. It's microwavable. It's just a cute little jug. Then I bought this cutlery set, which was $5.99. We're really needing to get our boys to use their own knife and fork, but obviously with a 3-year-old, we don't really want him using the big kid knives, big boy knives, adult knives. So I bought this little set for him. Sipper cup, $1.99. The other day, I just literally tapped my soap dispenser that was on my kitchen bench, and it fell off onto the floor, smashed everywhere, it was like 3/4 full with soap. Soap went everywhere. So I picked up this one. This was $1.99. It doesn't look fancy, but I feel like that is not the last time that my soap dispenser is going to go overboard. So I've just bought a cheap one this time rather than something more expensive. I grabbed these kids hooks, well, these suction hooks for behind the kids' doors to hang their bags. They were, I'm gonna say $6.99, I'm pretty sure. I lied about these were $4.99. These are $5.99. So yeah, just, they have amazing suction. I thought these were great. They get to pick a color each. Then last but not least, I got this storage container thingamajiggo, which again comes with 2 of those clips. This was $9.99. This is for inside the shower. These clips, the suction on them is absolutely amazing. And what I'm going to be using this for is for the kids' shower toys. It's got holes in the bottom for drainage, which is perfect. So that is it. All of this for $6.99, and I cannot wait to start putting my little bits and bobs. My current goal at the moment is I have a lot of artificial plants. I have lots of real plants now, but I'm trying to get rid of the artificial plants and bring in real plants. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to add 2 newbies to the family. So I bought these pots for these plants, and I'm just going to show you where I'm going to be placing them in my house. let's go put them in their new home. So this is what I have up here at the minute. My goal is to make this into a little bit of a jungle shelf eventually. So I have started my little collection. So this is no longer going to be up there. That's retiring. This is where my ivy is going to be going. That one is going up there. I'd love to know what you think about this, guys. Please leave a comment below. So this pot here I have bought for my Bambino fiddle fig leaf tree. This is a new one. I'm hoping that it fits, but knowing my track record and buying pots before I buy the plants or vice versa, not having them together, I'm pretty much 85, 95, 99.99% sure that this plant is not going to fit in this pot. So, yeah, see, no dice. As you can see, it is the right size, maybe. So what I normally do is I get a Stanley knife and just cut the rim off, and then it fits in perfectly. So I'm gonna go do that now. These are just some of my beautiful plants that I have. Up here I want to fill this shelf with all plants, get rid of any fakies, and have that as a bit of a jungle shelf. My newbie, so pretty. So this is the hooks that I used for the back of the kids' bedroom doors to hang their school bags. This is my shower caddy installed in the shower. It's the perfect size. All the kids' toys fit in there. It works perfectly. And this is my pantry before and after. I feel like doing it this way, I'm using more of the space as opposed to before. It's just very awkward shelvings, and yeah, just wasn't working for me. So this is my IKEA haul. I cannot wait to go back there again and spend up. I really hoped you enjoyed watching my IKEA haul. I'm always so impressed with the little bits and bobs that I can find at IKEA. You can never just go to IKEA for one thing. I find you've got to go with a budget and make it worth your while. So yeah, I'm super impressed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye!